I wanted to make a video reply to this particular comment. I see it online a lot. It's very ignorant. IQ made a comment here basically implying that everyone who needs down payment assistance is totally unqualified and has a terrible decision-making process, which is utterly blatantly untrue. First off, your ignorance is showing because you clearly have no idea why the housing bubble started from last time. Previously, people could get a house with no income verification, no asset verification, and their loans would adjust after 2 years of owning the house, and they would not even have built any equity because they would have negative amortizing loans. This is a lot of verbiage to basically say the loans right now are 30-year fixed rate. They actually reduce and balance out. Not only that, we have to verify income. Actually, my biggest complaint from people I speak with is how much documentation you need for a mortgage. We need to see our pay stubs and W-2s and bank statements. This is way too much. And you need to get a verification of employment from my manager or HR department? That's crazy. Basically, the standards nowadays to get a mortgage are way higher than they used to be. And also, people who have a 600, 620, 650 credit score have not had a lifelong or lifetime awful credit decisions, as you say here. Granted, some of them do, right? Some people just consistently make lates for 10, 20 years in a row, and unfortunately, they just can't be saved in that particular regard. But even then, let's say someone makes a 30-day late on a credit card once a year, and the credit card value is like $200 or something owed. Who cares? On the mortgage side of things, we validate if people's credit scores are relatively low. We do verifications of rent with their landlord or property management company, and we make sure that the last 12 months of payments have been on time, not 30 days or worse late. Also, I've looked at thousands of credit reports. There are many, many times where people get a charge off from like Verizon or a dental bill or something worth $100, and it will blow up their credit report, their credit scores for 100 to 200 points for years, and there's nothing you can do to recover from it. They could have on-time payments with their auto loan, their credit cards, and everything else and rent, but they missed one little thing in the mail and it blows them up. That's not fair at all. That's not equal opportunity for housing. So long story short, I just wanted to let you know your opinion's totally misguided and a little ignorant. Mortgage lenders right now actually really harass the borrowers to get a lot of paperwork and prove the income's there, the ability to repay the mortgage. And some of these down payment assistance programs are really fantastic. And so, I mean, if you're stuck paying $2,300 a month for rent for a 3-bed apartment because you have some children, and now you can get a detached home for $2,000 a month, and part of that $2,000 is going to pay down the loan amount, why wouldn't someone want to do that? Because 10 years later, they're going to have 50 or 100,000 in equity, and they can actually start building some wealth. For everyone else, call, text, or